Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Use the following command to install the essential dependencies, including transport tools for HTTPS, GPG for security keys, and other. Now, import the official MongoDB GPG key by running next command. Use the following command to add the MongoDB repository to our system source list. Refresh the package database and install the MongoDB database engine with the next command. Enable and start the MongoDB services immediately. Download the latest Graylog repository package and install the repository configuration on the system. Update our sources again and install the Graylog data node. Increase the memory map limits to ensure the database runs smoothly, then apply the changes. Finally, we install the core Graylog server with the next command. Generate a secure key for the password secret field. Now create an hash of your choose admin password. You'll need this for the root login. Open the server configuration file to insert your secret key, your password hash, and set the bit address to allow external access. Apply the same password secret to the data node configuration to keep them in sync. Reload the System Manager configuration. Enable and launch both the data node and Graylog server by running next command. Now open your web browser and navigate to your IP address with the next port to adjust the web interface. If the server isn't starting, use the following command to monitor the logs in real time and identify the issue. Also, by running this command, you will see the password for the login into the admin account. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.